good.
She keep it going, I'm on my phone. She know what she do. When she tell me come on, her booty is strong, got me in the zone. Like she get like this, she wanna ride, ride, ride. I guess it's alright, ride, ride. She want it every time. I do the kitty right.
What is up, Mercy gang? It's your girl
Lamborghini Mercy.
It's your girl Mercedes, and today I am coming back to you with another video. So today I am gonna be doing, as you can tell by the title, my everyday makeup routine. So this is my first makeup tutorial, so bear with me. I'm probably gonna do like a little voiceover. If not, I'm gonna speed it up, make it fast for y'all, because usually I do my makeup really slow. But so let me tell y'all what happened first. So actually I can tell y'all what happened while I'm doing my makeup. So it's a really short story, but whatever. Then I'm gonna go ahead and, first of all, skirt, rewind. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, ring that bell if you want to see more videos from me. Also, Thursdays are for the girls. As you can tell by this video, it's posted on Thursday. If you didn't know, it's Thursday. Alright, so, but yeah, I'm gonna start off with this oil. It smells so good, y'all. But I'm gonna just rub that all over my face. So I gotta tell y'all what happened. So I actually did this video already. I already did this video. So what happened was, sorry, he's texting me, my boo thing. But yeah, so I already did this video, but I did it on my camera, and my camera won't let me pull videos from it. Like it won't let me pull videos from it. So I was like, what the heck? I gotta post this literally in like 12 hours. I have time, but I like having stuff like already done. So I was kind of stressed. I was like, yo, I was stressing. It's too late. It's too late to be doing a video, but you don't have to know how to time out. I have to remake this whole video. All right, so y'all, so I'm gonna first go ahead and use my concealer. It's from Bare Mineral. It's in a shade 10/dark warm. And I'm just gonna, but yeah, so I already filmed this video. I'm highly upset. I hope y'all day is going good. Mine's going good, minus this video. Alright, so I already did that. Next I'm gonna go in with do my eyebrows. I got this in it's a dip brow in chocolate. And it's in the description, but I can't. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go in with my lighter concealer, and I'm gonna get my concealer brush. I can find it. My concealer brush and just a lighter concealer, and just take my brush, dip it in it. Alright, next I'm gonna do my foundation. I got, you know, Bare minimum. I like this one because it like turns, and you know I'm clumsy and stuff, so a girl like me needs it. So I'm gonna take my sponge, apply. Of course, it's damp. Like I said, I barely use makeup, but it looks done to me. I mean, I use makeup, but don't come at me. Anyway, so I'm going to next, since it's my everyday kind of makeup, I'm going to, I would usually stop right here, but I'm going to get some concealer. Girl, just CoverGirl one, and also I'm gonna mix this this dirty because I use a lot, but this concealer set, as you can see, I use it a lot. So like, I don't really like the powder. I don't know about y'all, but so I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush and just, I'm gonna put like a brown, I put brown underneath my eye. And I usually stop right here, but I'm gonna put some mascara on for y'all. I'm gonna be using some mascara I just got today. I actually like this one, and I still have a little bit left in it, but it says CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, and this one is So Lash by CoverGirl. So I like this one because, you know, it looks like this. But this is the other one. It's like a shorter haired one. They put, if I can find it, where that though? Where that though? Oh, it's right in front of my face. But yeah, I usually just get some regular chapstick. This is my favorite chapstick. And I just, look at that. I see you. Pose. 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 Okay, let me stop. Alright, actually I missed a step. This is my finishing powder, and I'm just gonna take my, if I could open it. I'm glad I didn't get the loose powder. But yeah, so I'm just gonna. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't get to use loose powder because it's okay. I got the matte finish spray. But y'all, I am finally done. There's a sparkle right there. But y'all, I am finally done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know if you like this video, if you want me to do a better video or show y'all how to install my lashes, I got you, girl. So I will show you that in the next video. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up because I tried. Hope y'all like the look. But let me stop. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Drop. Okay, stop. I say this later. Alright, y'all, but thank you for watching this video. I don't know why I'm so goofy right now, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!
Rapper have them cooking from my glow. A God sent a rapper, make it so burn slow. Best thing about me.